How to fix Telegram not sending code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can fix if Telegram isn't sending code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the issue over here is quite simple. Let's say you were just trying to log into your account basically over here, but Telegram is not sending the verification code for some reason. Now first of all, there are a couple of reasons why this happens. You might want to hit the arrow button here and you might be checking the code to be received on your phone number, which could be, let's say, the messages app over here. Well, that is the case sometimes. If you're still logged in on some other devices for your Telegram account, it will send a code first of all to those devices. So first of all, you want to check that, because sometimes if your Telegram is logged in on desktop, it will send it to the Telegram app on your desktop or on the other devices where your Telegram is still logged in. And if you don't receive there, then you'll find the option to send it via SMS, which you can then use. If you're still not receiving the code, do not try it from the same page over and over again. Just long press the Telegram app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page, and then from here simply go to storage, clear cache, and make sure to clear the data. Then also make sure that you are receiving messages on your messages application for your device. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.